Yes, we are again looking at the logo of Fondation Marie-Claire Heureuse Félicité Bonheur Dessalines, that you know better under the name Fondation Felicite. And we're looking at the ninth element of the logo. If you recall, we went through 0, which is questioning. 1 is that little light within. 2 is the direction. 4 is the compass. 5, we went through the crossroads. We went through a lot of things. We went through effort, the hammer. And now we reached the lighthouse. And when we are at the lighthouse, that means we have become a light for our community. We have become that light that from far away, the boat looking for its way can see how to get to the earth. We are that light that the ones that are not close can use to guide them and help them find the way. So, and each one of us, yes, you too, you can be a lighthouse for us. If you go within, find your true identity, then establish your purpose according to who you truly is. Set the direction in which you want to walk or run. Some of us go faster than others. But no matter how you do it, whether you walk like a snail or run like a gazelle, the important thing is to get to your objective. And having paid the price through effort, then you become that beam, that lighthouse, that enable everyone to find their way. You don't just show one way, you show everyone, wherever they may be, they're able to see that light far away and use it to guide themselves and come to bliss, alone and together. That's what the light does. That light, that's what it does. Take good care. Be the light that you are. We're counting on you.